Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem average population. The problem we are solving is part of MySQL DQL series and we are solving this problem after the sixth lecture of MySQL in which we have studied about the aggregate function, and clearly we'll solve this problem using the aggregate functions. So let's have a look at the problem. So the problem says we are given a city table which contains name of the city and its population. These two are the important fields, right? So query average population of all the cities, average of all the cities, right? Rounded down to the nearest integer. Let's calculate this first. So as simple as that, to calculate the average, what aggregate function do we have? AVG, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to select average of population from uh, which table is it? City table, right? So this will give you the average of all the population of all the cities, right? So we get the average. But now part two, round it down to the nearest integer. And luckily for us, MySQL provides a function to round it down. And as you might have guessed, the name of the function, that is round only. Yeah, just calculate the average, pass it the result into the round function, and you get the rounded result. As simple as that, right? So if we go ahead and run the code, hopefully we won't get any error. Yeah, we didn't get any error and yes, work fine. So let's submit this. See, we have successfully solved this problem also using the aggregate average function, right? So yeah, this is it for this lecture. Thank you guys for watching, and till the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.